Hi, this is the Realme GT2 and today I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open this small box and let's just first check this paper box. Here we can find the quick start guide, safety guide and the warranty card. So the next thing, this is the protective case and the USB Type-C cable. So the next thing, this is the SIM eject tool and sure the charger brick, the original Realme one with all of the specs. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.